Here we have a 2013 registered Vauxhall Cascada Turbo SE convertible with a 1.4-litre manual transmission petrol engine. The car is finished in blue buzz and is available with delivery mileage to drive away today. Key features include air conditioning, 18-inch alloys, DAB digital radio, remote control power roof, cruise control, rear park assist, sports seats, sports suspension, multifunctional leather steering wheel, leather gear knob, electric mirrors, CD player and USB connectivity. This Vauxhall Cascada has been through our full and extensive service and preparation process to ensure it's in perfect condition. Reserve this car online today for 48 hours for a no obligation, fully refundable £100.